In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload MP3 files and sell them on Wix step by step. Wix makes it remarkably easy to transform your site into a digital store, and this guide will walk you through everything you need to start selling your beats online. To begin, head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, find the website where you'd like to add your music products and click on Edit Site. The next step is crucial. Ensure that Wix Stores is installed. This feature is necessary if you're planning on selling any products, whether physical or digital. If it's not set up yet, you can easily add it from the Wix App Market. Moving along, access the store pages on your site editor. Click through to the product page to manage your products. Here, you'll be able to control your store's offerings fully. You're going to want to navigate to Manage Products. This can be done through the dashboard by clicking on Store Products followed by the plus New Product button. Since you're offering downloadable content, make sure you select digital product rather than physical. Enter the details such as your product name, for example, Hip Hop Beat Hash 001. Don't forget to vividly describe your product. Include details like genre, BPM, key, license type, and any specific usage terms. This information will help potential buyers understand what they're purchasing. To further enrich your product listing, consider uploading some preview images or waveform visuals. An attractive listing will catch more eyes and increase interest. Now you'll need to upload the beat file itself. Ensure it's in a popular digital format like MP3 or WAV. Additionally, you could include a shorter preview snippet of your beat, giving buyers a taste before they commit. Make sure you enable automatic delivery so the buyers receive their downloads immediately after purchasing. Now set the price and consider offering multiple licensing options. You might have a lease license for more general use and at a lower price, and an exclusive license offering full rights at a premium. Clarity in what each license allows will assist in managing consumer expectations. To complete the technical setup, head over to the payment settings located in the dashboard under Settings and Accept Payments. Activate your preferred payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or other common credit card options. Don't forget to run a test transaction to ensure the process runs flawlessly. Your final steps involve publishing the beats and giving your store page some final touches. Make sure the beats are visible to your audience and customize the store's appearance to align with your brand aesthetics. A preview of the store before going live will help ensure it looks professional. Finally, spread the word. Promote your new store across social media platforms and utilize SEO techniques with descriptive and keyword-rich text to attract more viewers and potential buyers. Special offers like discounts or bundles can also be a powerful draw. And there you have it. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have your beats up and selling on Wix in no time.